Hi, in front of me I have Xiaomi Amazfit GTR, and I'm gonna show you how to use the quick startup function on this device. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch. To do it, press the upper button, and now on the watch face on the main screen, to use the quick startup option, simply press the lower button. It's gonna open the heart rate, and you can customize it to assign different things to it. To do it, let's go back to home screen, open the function menu by swiping upwards from the bottom of the screen. Here, scroll down to the bottom, tap on the settings icon. In settings, scroll down and select quick startup. And here we have list of functions we can select and assign to our lower button. For example, let's select alarm, then press the upper button to go back to watch face, and now when you press the lower button, it will open the alarm function. Let's go back to settings and quick startup. You can also disable this function by selecting disable right here at the bottom, and when you press the lower button now on the watch face, nothing will happen. And that's how you use the quick startup function on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.